This last question is, how do I make sure that my partner is doing what they're supposed to be doing? And it's an important question. And that is the compliance and monitoring piece of licensing. Because uh, after you sign the agreement, you have to make sure your partner is doing what they're supposed to be doing, and you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, whether it's production, whether it's marketing, whether it's product development, but there's monitoring and compliance. Every agreement needs to be a performance-based agreement. A license agreement just isn't a stat agreement that says you have my IP rights, go at it, do with it whatever you want. No, you always want to have performance milestones, even under an exclusive agreement where you give a company or grant a company exclusive rights to your IP, it's still performance based. Exclusivity, I would never recommend, nor do I negotiate deals where exclusivity is just given without some kind of performance milestone to keep it active. Okay.